Beautiful donkey has a big fight. A fight with an elephant begins. Beautiful donkey laughing loudly. Oh elephant, are you walking or laughing? Your body is so big, it seems like a mobile phone tower is walking. When you walk, the ground trembles, the birds in the trees think an earthquake is coming. Why did you push me? When I fell, the ground also cried out, Allah, my back is broken. If you push me again, I will insert such a stick into your trunk that you will make fertilizer in the entire wheat field while sneezing. Looking at your body, it looks like the rice warehouse has gone out for a vacation in the forest. Elephant waving its trunk in a serious manner. What a beautiful donkey. Do you think you are the queen of the forest? When you laugh, even the flute cries, saying, I lost my job. Your ears are so big, birds want to land, thinking it is an airport runway. You are not quarrelsome, you are really a quarrelsome ice cream machine. When you turn it on, both cold and hot come out at the same time. When I see you, I am surprised. Where did you get so much confidence, being a donkey? Beautiful donkey laughing. Elephant, are you insulting me again? You are a walking sack shop. If I send you to a fashion show, the announcer will say, a huge curtain is coming on stage now. And the photographer will shout, I can't catch it in the frame, the camera will break. The forest dwellers roll around laughing. The tiger comes to bring peace. Tiger seriously and sobbing. Calm down, calm down. I am the Tiger King. Your quarrels will not be tolerated in my forest. I have come to bring law, understand? Beautiful donkey smiling with teeth bared. Oh, King Tiger, will you bring the law? The marks on your body look like old school notebooks with stripes. The way you open your teeth looks like a dental clinic is offering a discount offer. Break one tooth, get another free. You are not a king, you are the lungi of the kingdom. Everyone needs it, but no one wants to take the name out of shame. Elephant claps and laughs. Wow, beautiful donkey, you have made a tiger a dentist. Now he will go looking for syrup. Tiger roars angrily, throat shaking. I am the king. I cannot be insulted. Beautiful donkey squinting. King, when I hear your roar, it sounds like a cough patient is clearing his throat. Don't be afraid, with one kick from my foot, you will lose your teeth and open a dental shop in the market. Singharaja's free Joe service. The tiger runs away in fear, everyone starts laughing. The fox's attempt. The fox in a polite manner, with a sweet melody in his voice. Oh beautiful donkey, you are truly the queen of quarrels in the forest. You quarrel, but you are also the queen of beauty. When you smile, the forest is filled with flowers, the birds start singing. Beautiful donkey with red eyes. Shut up, fox. Are you talking about beauty? When you look at me, it seems like a dry red plant is standing. You think you are clever, but in fact you are a ticker in the forest, you dance just to get likes. When you look at me, it seems like a free Wi-Fi zone. All the scandals that happen start from you. Fox in a soft, trembling voice. No, no, I am your fan, a real fan. Beautiful donkey laughing. Fan, if you are my fan, you will put cotton in your ears when I sing. You are not intelligent, you are free data, wherever you live, there is trouble. The fox runs away in fear and jumps into the river. Everyone laughs and eats the loot. The bear and his wife. The bear stomping up his chest in a serious manner. This beautiful donkey, you are exaggerating a lot. The whole forest is fed up with your quarrel. The bear's wife squinting. Yes, if you talk bad to my husband, I will slap you, then you will drop your teeth and pick up chalk. The beautiful donkey laughing ho ho. Hey bear. You spoke, it seemed that the microphone had no batteries. If you hugged you, people would say, A bear hug means the oxygen cylinder is gone. And when you see your wife, it seems that the candy store has run out of sugar, it is only filled with fur. When you two walk together, it seems like a cow is sitting on a pile of cotton. The bear couple runs away in fear, the forest erupts in laughter. Final scene. Beautiful donkey announces loudly. Listen, forest dwellers. I am beautiful donkey, I am the queen of quarrels, I am a fountain of laughter. When I open my mouth, the forest trembles, and the leaves of the trees tremble with laughter. If I were not there, the forest newspaper would have headlined, "Today the forest is completely quiet, because beautiful donkey is silent." So remember, when beautiful donkey is there, the forest is bustling, and when I am there, you all roll around laughing.